Hi guys, this is Ruth, and it's a sunny day. I have to say, Friday afternoon, and it's end of the week. Yes, hooray! But it's business as usual. I guess so. But today is day 4 on how to look good on social media. So basically, day 1, I told you you need to select a social platform. Day 2, we talked about setting up your business page. Day 3, we talked about creating an editorial calendar. Now, day 4, which is today, you need to create customized. Okay, so while you plan the content for your social media posts, what I want you to do is I want you to skim through your own social media news feed and then look at the images that actually call out to you, that get your attention. Most times they would not be in traditional photos or traditional stock photos, but instead they would be images that have an intriguing thought or an intriguing call to action. So what you do is that when you're creating your images, customize them. Either you put an interesting image with a quote from your article, or you put an interesting image with a compelling question that your article answers, or you could also combine the image with a statistic or a chart, whatever it is. But customize your images. Don't just go online and take free stock photos or whatever. Try to make your images more customized and more tuned to your readers. Okay, because you could actually use tools like Canva to basically incorporate text into images, and trust me, it's definitely it's not like it will take time, but it would pay off in the end rather than just putting just simple text or plain photographs. It will pay off in the end because it will actually intrigue your readers to know more about what it is you're trying to say. So today's tip, and that's it for today. Today's tip is create custom images or customized images, and that's all for today on how to look good on social media. And I'll see you again, not tomorrow, not Sunday, but I'll see you on Monday on continuation. Have a lovely weekend, guys, and all the best.